Hi, I'm Lee from Lee's Way of the Highway Math Tutoring. I hope you like my new do for 2022. I hope you get one too. Today we're going to be doing divisibility by 4's. Well, it's pretty straightforward. There are some tricky parts to it, but the initial rule is pretty straightforward. The last two digits have to be a multiple of 4, or in the multiplication tables of 4. What are they? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. So you have to know your 4 times tables. If you know those, you're in. You're pretty sweet. So here's the first number, 41,016. The question is 16 a multiple of 4? The answer is yes. Therefore, 41,016 is in the multiplication tables of 4 and is divisible by 4 with no remainder. The next number is 4,029. Is 4,029 divisible by 4? The answer is no, because 29 is not a multiple of 4. Now, you probably are wondering why. Maybe you aren't, but a lot of people wonder why this rule works. It's pretty straightforward. It goes like this. The abstract, it's an abstract concept, but if you get your head around this, 100 is divisible by 4 25 times. No remainder. And 1,000 is divisible by 4 250 times. No remainder. Therefore, the hundreds and the thousands, they are not problematic. We don't need to consider those digits in the number. So for example, let's look at 4,100. Now, somebody would say, well, 0 isn't in the times table of 4, which is true because we don't consider the zeros as part of the times table of the 4's. But the key to that is the 100, 4 goes into 100 25 times. It also goes into 200 50 times, etc. So it doesn't matter what hundred's there, it's going to go into any 100. So it could be 300, 400, 500, 600, etc. Now, the next one is 52,000. Well, 4 goes into 1,000 250 times. So that means it can go into 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, 4,000, no problem. So we can have zeros lined all the way up on the number. And we could have, for example, 50,000 there, which is 4 zeros. That means we have 5 in the 10,000 digits. And it doesn't matter. Why? Because 4 goes into everything from the 100 onward. So it goes into 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, etc. Try it, and you'll see. So the only digits we need to consider are the 1s and the 10s. And really, we need to consider both of those, and they have to be multiples of 4. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message at Lee's Way Math Tutoring on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions or clarify anything that you don't understand. See you next week with the 5s and the 10s. Have a great day.